everyone. I was sitting here playing with the printmaker, and I came across something that was kind of cool, so I thought, before I forgot, I would show it to you. Then I'd have it on the video and I'd remember. So I'm just going to do it in my phone. I think you can see it okay. And I went down to, see, New Baby, in Patterns, and I found this the flowers. And I went over to Create, and I have to put it in the middle. I can't help myself. When I touched on this, I saw a place to change the color. So went into that, and I'm just going to pick, I wanted something that was darker colored. So I'm just going to pick this red. But you see how it turned them all? So let's just pick that and we'll print it out. And it turned everything to the red. So that's okay. And we're just going to print one. Okay, I'm not leaving myself much space, only so that we're zoomed in closer. So I'm going to go ahead and print that. And I just got a regular piece of cardstock. And this is Crafter's Companion cardstock, and it's the like pearlescent kind. I can't remember the name of it now. Pearlescent kind. So I'm going to print this on this side just because it's shiny and slippery-like, and see if it goes okay. But because it's kind of silvery, won't be as bright. But that's a side point. This wasn't my point, but while I'm here, I might as well see how this prints on here. And okay, so it doesn't rub off. So it's all. So I'm going to do it again on this side, so you can see the difference between like plain white cardstock and something that's pearlescent. Let's see if we can see the difference. I'll be like the eye dot, the side one, side two. There's not much difference, a little bit, but not as much as I thought it was going to be. And again, even though this is pearlescent, it's not glitter or anything, it's just kind of pearlized. And maybe it'll come to me, the name of it. It's Crafter's Companion, and it's one of their, they're all like, see how it's kind of iridescent and comes in lots of colors. So I was curious about this movement. Well, let's get back to the matter at hand. So, I'll move this out of the way. So when we changed the color, it changed the little inside as well as the outside. So I'm done printing, and I'm going to start over. So I'm going to go to Home. I don't want to save it. I'm going to go back to that New Baby, Patterns, and get the flowers again. Create. Okay, so you can see how the flowers have different color centers from the flowers. And when we changed it to the red, it just did red inside and out. The little dots on the outside. So there was this little, right next to the color, and I have to be selected on the item, is More. And in the More, there's Hue and Opacity. Well, opacity is like see-through, so we don't, that would make it lighter, so we don't want that. So I was looking at this Hue, and I touched it, and look how it's changing the colors, but it's not, it's the little dot in the center it's changing colors, but it's not changing to the same color like the red on red did. So let's pick this green. So can you see the little dots on the inside didn't change to the same color as the flower itself. So this one's light blue, this one's kind of navy green, and this one's purple. So, so that's a way to change the colors of the flowers, but not change it so the inside of the flower is the same. So I thought that was kind of cool. So let's go ahead and print that. I just want one, so that's fine. Printer. So see, now we have the red ones that are red, the center's red, and flower is red. Let's see if I can get it so the light's good. Here we go. And then on the green one, the center stayed different colors. So let's try it on something else and see if that works. I just happened to look at that, and I was saying before, that's how you're going to learn more about this printer, is to just try things out. So let's go Southern Belle. And I'm just picking something. And okay, we got the lemon. So I'm going to hit the create. It's going to bring in the lemon. I want to make the canvas a little small. I think you can still see that. Okay, I want to make the canvas a little smaller, so I'm going to hit canvas. And then there's a little blue square. I'm going to click on that and move it over. And I can move that to the center. And then click the canvas again. That's pretty good. So now I'm selected on the lemon. And I'm going to do the more instead of the color. I'm just going to see, oh, so look, so now I have an orange. Not sure what a purple fruit would be. Well, now I have a line. So let's go and let's print the line. What do you say? I'm going to print the line. I just want one. And you probably can hear every time I send something, it does that little R2D2 thing. Okay, so there's my line. That looks pretty good. It's like a line. So now I'm going to go back. I'm done. Done printing. And I'm going to just go back and start over. Well, let's see what we do if we go into color. And let's make it red. Oh, so see what happened? You can't see anything. So let's go back to create. Don't save. So now we know in some cases, if we want this to change, this was a lemon, now it's a lime, you want to use that more key and then the hue. So let's try one more. Now let's see what happens when we do something that is multicolored. So I'm going to hit create. I'm going to go to click on the little cloud, and I'm going to do more. I have to put this down to do this. And then I'm going to change the hue. Okay, so I don't remember where we were at, but it's changing it. You can see it's changing it. Different colors in different places that have different colors, as opposed to making it all the same. So I'm going to just pick that one. So it's still doing the multicolor, but it just changed the color. Okay. And there it is. See, I'll go back and do, I don't remember what the original one was. Look, I got so big. Give me a moment. Okay. So don't save. I think I would sign. Oh yeah. So I'll print this in the original color. Okay, so you have the original color, which is the bottom one, and the top one. So this is the original color down here, and then the top one. So it's under that hue. So let me do the lemon again, just so you can see. I think I got that under just peachy. Oh, here it is, down here, in front of my face. So I'm just gonna, okay, now, I sent this without going into the Create, so it's got that black around it. So, well, I'm gonna do, I'm done. I'm gonna pick it again. I just don't, because I'm gonna compare it to the other one. Okay, now I feel better. And I'm going to do it next to the line. Okay, so you have, oh, sorry, here we go. You have the lemon, which was the original, and the lime. And see how it did the shading in the different greens, like it did the shading in the different yellows. So just remember, show you exactly where it is again, so you remember. So you click on the picture, and over here where it says more, there's color, and then here's more. And there's your hue. Change it. So I want to have, I'm going to try to get like an orange there. Oh, and then there's a little, sorry, where are we? Trying to keep the glare out. So the little X just to close it. Hit print. Send to printer. Don't bang your stuff around like I've been doing today. Hit the print. It's green. Okay. So now I have a lime, a lemon, and an orange. How's that? So I thought you'd like to try that out. And again, shiny pearlescent side, no smudging, no problem. Do my orange there. Remember, whatever's in there last will print. And there's the orange. And look, I mean, it's instantly dry. Instantly dry. Okay, so that's a little tip for today. I'll put in the title, changing the color hue, H-U-E, so that would remind you if you need to get back to that to remember how to do it. It'll be easy to find. So, thanks. See you later.